हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज की वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 1 पॉलिटिकल साइंस डेमोक्रेसी। सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं और रीड करके समझते हैं कि इस चैप्टर में हमको क्या बताया गया है और समझते हैं। डेमोक्रेसी डेमोक्रेसी इज अ सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन विच द पीपल हैव द पावर टू मेक डिसीजंस either directly or through elected representatives. It ensures equality, freedom, and accountability, allowing citizens to participate in running the country. Different countries follow different systems of democracy, such as parliamentary or presidential, but all share the same basic principle. In this chapter, we will explore the meaning of key features of democracy. We will also to look at the different types of democracy and the changes it faces. Meaning of democracy. First topic. Origin of the term. Many definitions of democracy have been given by eminent authorized authorities. On this chapter, the term democracy was coined in ancient Athens in the 5th century BCE. It originated from the Greek word demokratika. Demo means the people and kritia means to rule. The term democracy thus means rule by the people. Democracy in Athens is the earliest example of a system that corresponds to some of the modern ideas about democratic rules. In Athens, all the people could vote regardless to whatever they were rich to poor. They were free to vote and free to speak in the assembly. The essence of democratic rule. In a democracy, the people should have control over the government that rules over them. This can be achieved by implementing a system of voting in which of the majority of the people rule, either directly or indirectly. Third, they are elected representatives. Elections and necessary for democracy. A famous political philosopher, Reinhold Rebel, stated man's capacity for justice makes democracy possible, and man's capacity for injustice makes democracy necessary. It is obvious that democracy has been accepted all over the world. Abraham Lincoln defined democracy as the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. This definition is considered to be very adept. In monarchies and architectures, all power is concentrated in the hands of a group of people. Within society, how who government who govern the country, they are not the representatives of the people. A director like Adolf Hitler or Mussolini may be elected by the people at some stages, but once in power, if he formulates policies that are not meant for the welfare of the people, the government cases to be democratic. Democracy compared with other forms of government. Here's the diagram. Think about it. If a leader is elected by the people but then stops listening to them or prevents future elections, is that country still a democracy? Does election along granted democracy? Defining the rulers. The simple definition: the democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Raises many questions. Who are the rulers? What kind of election constitutes a democratic election? What conditions must be fulfilled for an election to be considered democratic? Who are the people who can elect the rulers? Does it include every citizen on an equal basis? Finally, what kind of a form of government is democracy? Can elected members do whatever they want in a democracy? Does it function within some limits? Will While these campaigns help us understand how democracy differs from other systems, democracy is not limited only to government structures. It also reflects a broader way of thinking and decision making in everyday life. Border meaning of democracy. In democracy, a majority is allowed to take decisions on behalf of all the people. The majority of people rule through their elected representatives. This becomes necessary because modern democracy involves such a large number of people that it is physically impossible to sit together and take a collective decision. Even if they called, the citizens do not have the time, the desire, or the skills to take part in all decisions. This gives us a clear understanding of democracy, which help us to distinguish democracies from non-democracies, but it does not allow us to see the operations of democracy beyond the government. Democracy beyond the government. Sometimes we use democracy for organizations other than the government. We often say we are a very democratic family. Whenever a decision has to be taken, we all sit down and arrive at a consensus. My opinion matters as much as my father's. Another example, I don't like teachers who do not allow students to speak and ask questions in the class. I would like to have teachers with democratic temperament. This way of using the word democracy go back to its basic sense of a method of taking decisions. Classroom decision reflecting democratic participation. Diagram. Every democracy must strive to release the ideas of democratic decisions making the requires a constant effort of maintain and strengthen democratic form of decision making. Features of democracy. To understand whatever a country is truly democratic, we must examine certain essential features that define and sustain democracy in practice. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी और आपको ऐसी और वीडियो चाहिए तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब